Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to share 5 reasons to buy this rolling rack from Costco.
A few weeks ago, we actually shared why you shouldn't buy a particular rack at Costco. We bought it, we tried it, we hated it, we took it back. But in the meantime, Steph found this particular rack and we decided, let's give it a try and see if this one meets all the things that we need it for.
And the first thing we like about this rack is it's movable, and it moves really well. The casters are super well designed, and it just moves with ease. It doesn't have a permanent place yet in the garage because I might want to take it to my house.
That's news to me.
I have been moving it around the garage as I've been working on projects at Mom's house, and it just moves so easy, it takes no effort.
The thing that we didn't like about that last one was it was so wobbly. Every time you took a tote out, it would just move. And sometimes the totes would actually fall into each other. This one, there's none of that. Even it's on wheels and you would think it'd be a little wobbly, but there's none of that. It's just rock solid. It just stands there, and when you take the bins out, there's no movement.
Number 3 is multiple bin options. So this actually has shelves and rails, and you can see when you're putting something on the rail, that rail system is really thick and sturdy. And these are actually made for green-made bins that are sold at Costco. So when you put those bins into the slide, it slides in really nicely. Now we do have some Home Depot bins that are 27 gallons, which this is made for 27 gallons, but it's a different brand. And you can see the Home Depot ones don't go as smoothly in. We have to kind of put them to the side. They will fit, but not as good as the green-made ones though. This is also designed to work with the 27-gallon ones or the 12-gallon ones. So we actually bought 12-gallon green-made bins from Costco and put them in the sliders, and they slide really nicely, and they're a little bit lighter as you're bringing them in and out. But again, you can put different bins on this because it has those shelves as well. You can see a clear one on here. It's obviously smaller, so you're not getting as much real estate here, but it's nice because you have a lot more options.
Number 4, it is high quality. You could tell coming right out of the box that this thing was made to last. It's powder coated, so it's not going to rust. There's plenty of structure to the back of it, again, to making it very, very structurally strong. And we said about the rails are thick, and those casters are high quality, and they roll super smooth. And I don't know if we said that, but they're locking. So we think this is something that's going to last a long time. It's going to hold up to all the movement that we have when we move things around in the garage. So all in all, great quality.
And number 5 is easy assembly. This is how it arrived from Costco.com. Everything was well packaged and easy to access. You hand tighten the screws, and then you use the included Allen wrench to secure everything once it's in place. It was very straightforward and felt very well made. The back gets 2 cross pieces for added strength. It includes 4 heavy-duty casters that screw into place, and it's done. Very straightforward assembly.
And bottom line, this is staying in my garage. We are not taking it back to Costco.
I mean, it might go to my garage. I don't know. We might have to get another one.
I don't know. It may disappear.
I will say we got this when there was a sale going on, so keep an eye out on Costco.com. But even at the full price, we think it's worth it for all the reasons that we already said. Now, if you want to see more from us, please visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube.